Have you ever spoken up in a meeting only to be interrupted, dismissed, or have your idea repeated by someone else who suddenly gets the credit? If you're a woman over 40, this isn't a coincidence, it's a pattern. Women over 40 tell me the same story again and again. I spoke up, and it was like my voice didn't land in the room. I've had this happen to me. And the research backs this up. Studies show that women in midlife are interrupted more often, their expertise is questioned more frequently, and their contributions are less likely to be credited to them. Once again, this is not about confidence, it's about culture. Let me paint a familiar picture. You're in a meeting, you offer a thoughtful idea. Someone cuts you off. The conversation moves on. 5 minutes later, another colleague repeats your idea, maybe someone younger, and suddenly it's brilliant. In that moment, you feel the sting, not because you're sensitive, but because you were erased. Here's the truth. Your voice didn't get smaller. The room got louder and less respectful. This is where the dear man skill becomes your anchor. Now, dear man is a DBT skill that helps you communicate clearly, assertively, and effectively without over-apologizing, over-explaining, or escalating. So let's walk through a dear man script for that exact moment in a meeting, that one I just talked about. Describe. A moment ago, I shared that idea about streamlining the workflow. Express how you feel. It felt like it got lost in the shuffle. Assert what you'd like to happen. I'd like to return to my original point so we can explore it fully, and then reinforce the reason why the room should do this. I think it will save us time and resources. Now, the last part is to be mindful, stay steady, don't get pulled into side comments. Appear confident, not aggressive, not apologetic, just grounded. Negotiate, but only if necessary. And it could be something like this as a follow-up. I'm open to refining that idea together. This isn't about fighting for scraps of attention. It's about reclaiming the authority you've earned through decades. Wise Mind reminds you, your experience matters. Your voice is needed. And you don't have to shout to be heard. You just have to stand in your truth. This is how you take your voice back. Now, there's a matching skill snack at the end of this video so that you can have a handy cheat sheet to remind you about the steps when you need them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.